Alright, this is going to be Search and Destroy Arcaden, GB variant, GB maps, Search and Destroy. It's CB Angry versus Second Nature. We won the first map, 4-2 on Arcaden. I'm going to go ahead and start the video. Alright, just to show you guys that we all spawned in.
Defend the objective.
It's going to be Extortion, CJ, Hated, Blushing, Bobby Fisher, EJDL, me and myself, and Hated. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward.
Defeat. You must fight. Switching sides. Search and destroy. Destroy it. We've secured the vault. Good work, comrade. For the next round. Switching sides. Search and destroy. Defend the objective.
And that'll be the end of the first map. We win 4-2.